Just as volatile as cryptocurrency is, you've got contrasting and very eccentric news articles that are always written. And guys, cryptocurrency in general, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, it doesn't matter which one you're talking about, it is extremely politicized right now, especially here in the United States. You know, you essentially have one side of the fence saying that it's nothing but scammers, it's nothing but fraudsters, it's nothing but criminals trying to take advantage of the average American. And then, of course, you've got the other side saying that this is the greatest thing ever. It limits the government's control over the monetary system. It allows for a decentralized financial system to take place. And, of course, you know, the whole battle is raging on right now. But I'm going to go through some of these articles, and then we're going to be talking about a layer 2 blockchain in this video that should definitely be looked at to adding to your portfolio. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we get crypto news on the screen right now, and we need to go over some of these headlines. Short-sighted and stupid. Democratic mega donor abandons crypto super PACs. Now listen, I don't think that cryptocurrency is short-sighted, and I also don't think that cryptocurrency is stupid. In fact, I think that that's what these guys are for even thinking that in the first place. Guys, cryptocurrency has grown to a level that they cannot stop. Okay? The only thing that they can do is manipulate you into thinking a certain way. Now, decentralization is a beautiful thing. It means that nobody owns it, nobody controls it, nobody can determine to shut it down. The only thing that they can do is trick you and brainwash you into thinking that, well, it's short-sighted, it's stupid, it's for criminals. Now, going on through these, we get a tech billionaire blindsided by his crypto allies. Bitcoin sliding down to $58,000, $59,000 to start the week here. More of that stupid business. Former CEO. Here's where they start, man. These are the news articles that make the headlines. Former CEO of Kansas Bank embezzling $47 million in crypto scheme. He's going to prison. Now, let me tell you this. Yes. If guys are out there embezzling $47 million, maybe they should spend some time in prison. But this is not what the cryptocurrency industry is. The cryptocurrency is not just guys that are out there doing illegal things. The cryptocurrency is everything that I explained about a decentralized financial system. One in which there is no single ruler. Ethereum's 40% post-ETF drop is an expected sell the news reaction. Now, I don't know if it was an expected 40% drop, but of course we did talk a lot about buy the rumor, sell the news with that. Nigeria planning to present law to tax crypto by September. Now, I don't know Nigerian law, but I can already tell you, I can almost guarantee you that if you sell your cryptocurrency in Nigeria, they already tax that. Anytime you make whatever the Nigerian currency is, I am sure they tax those gains. Here's what I do not like about this entire idea of them thinking that they can tax crypto transactions is that they do not recognize it as having value. They do not, and I'm talking about governments in general, they do not recognize it as being a legal tender. They do not recognize it as a monetary system, and they recognize it as completely speculative and valueless. Therefore, if you're not transferring it back into United States dollars, if you're not transferring it into the Nigerian fiat currency, it is nothing more to them than in-game video or in video game, points. Now, do you think that if you're out there playing Warcraft and you're mining gold, they're going to tax you on your gold? They would. Any video game you play should be taxable income if they go along with these same guidelines that they're trying to enforce in the cryptocurrency world. If you earn gold, if you earn cars, if you earn points, those should be taxable by these definitions here. It doesn't matter if it's video game. You could sell that character on eBay. You could go out there to a local tournament and sell the skins for your weapons. You could do that. Therefore, we don't need to wait for you to do that. We're going to tax you on it anyway. It's really utter insanity how short-sighted and stupid these people are, the same way that they're labeling us. Now, here's the one that I want to focus on. Crypto VCs or venture capitalists see huge opportunity or big opportunity with layer 2 interoperability and not necessarily AI. Guys, crypto venture capitalists do not get to the way that they are by saying crypto is dumb. They do not get to the way that they are by doing anything other than investing in crypto. And they are going to be investing, as you can see here, in layer 2 blockchains. I agree with them. Pepe Unchained is a layer 2 blockchain, and Pepe Unchained has already seen $9.6 million in inflows just over the last couple of months. Pepe Unchained is truly setting itself apart as a beautiful pre-sale project, but an even better layer 2 blockchain. Guys, if you're interested, you simply click the link in the description, click on Connect Wallet, connect your wallet however you want. I use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code with the Trust Wallet on my phone, and then from there, you can see what you're buying. It is a layer 2 blockchain. It's built on the Ethereum network, and there's going to be instant bridging between the Ethereum and Pepe chain. Lowest transaction fees in the industry, 100 times faster than Ethereum, and it's got its own dedicated block explorer. On top of that, 206% annualized staking rewards. And the best part about it, it's built for meme coins. It says the future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, memes. Guys, when retail investors, venture capitalists don't go out there and buy something in anticipation and expectations of other venture capitalists coming in, and then the original venture capitalist makes money off that one. No, they make money off of retail investors. They're buying into these layer 2 blockchains right now because that's where they know retail is going to go when retail returns to the game. And retail absolutely loves meme coins. And when they flow back into Pepe Unchained, when retail investors who are nowhere to be found right now finally come back into the cryptocurrency space and they buy these meme coins, they buy Pepe Unchained, they buy these layer 2 blockchains like the venture capitalists are doing, whoever's in it already is going to be making mass amounts of money. Guys, I'm excited about this one, not only because their numbers are speaking for themselves. $9.6 million in inflow so far. They're in the correct industry. Cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. It's growing. It is literally, it's waging political wars right now. Sides are being formed. This industry is going to be a tens of, or maybe even one day, hundreds of trillions of dollars in value. The only question you have to ask yourself, are you going to be here? Are you going to invest? And are you going to stick around? My answer is yes. I want to know yours down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.